Hello everyone, I am Rama. In this video I am going to explain modified Euler method. Since Euler method gives less accuracy, then we want to improve that value. So modified Euler method is developed. This method is said to be an iteration method. That means a particular process is to be repeated till we reach to our solution. Let us see the working procedure. In step 1, we need to find Euler value of y at xn plus 1. That means we want to get the value of yn plus 1 by using Euler method at the point xn yn, and we take it as initial approximation to yn plus 1. Initial approximation is also denoted by yn plus 1 0, which is given by yn plus h f of xn yn, where n takes values from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. If we want to get y1, we need to put n equal to 0 in this formula. If y2 is required, then we have to give n equal to 1 in this formula. And in step 2, we want to improve yn plus 1 using iteration formula in modified Euler method as yn plus 1, for which k plus 1th iteration is obtained from yn plus h by 2 into f of xn yn plus f of xn comma yn plus 1 k. This is kth iteration to yn plus 1, where n is taking values from 0, 1 to 3 and so on, and k is also taking 0, 1 to 3 and so on. So in the step 3, we have to stop iteration process when two successive iterations are same up to the desired accuracy, and we take the last iteration value as the value of yn plus 1. This is the improved value of yn plus 1. So we need to remember that if n values are changing in this formula, then we are finding y values. If n equal to 0 is given here, then we will find y1. If n equal to 1 in this, we find y2 and so on. And if for a particular value n, we change k values, that means iterations to y are being generated. Suppose that for n equal to 0, we find y1, and for this fixed n equal to 0, k values can be changed. We give 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. That means we are finding first, second, third, etc. iterations of y1. We need to stop the iteration process when two successive iterations of y1 are same. Let us see an example. Find y of 0.4 accurate up to 4 decimal places using modified Euler method by solving the initial value problem y dash equals to minus 2x y square, comma y of 0 equal to 1 with step length 0.2. So let us write our initial value problem y dash equal to minus 2x y square, comma y of 0 equal to 1. We need to compare this first order differential equation with y dash equal to f of x comma y of x naught equals to y naught. Then by the comparison, minus 2xy square is our f of x comma y, and x naught is our 0 and y naught is 1. We need to find y at x equal to 0.4 with step size h equal to 0.2. Then we need to take x values as x naught is 0 and x1 is x naught plus h, which is nothing but 0.2, and x2 is x1 plus h, which is 0.4. Our main aim is to find y at x equal to 0.4, for which starts from x naught y naught. That means using x naught y naught, we need to find y1 at the point x1 and then y2 at the point x2. So here we need to find y1 y2 using modified Euler method. Let us first find y1. y1 is nothing but our y of 0.2. So by step 1, we must have Euler value of y1. y1 can be determined using y naught plus h, f of x naught y naught. Let us use the known data x naught y naught and h here. Y naught is 1, which is given in the problem. H is 0.2, which is also given in the problem. And this is f of x naught y naught is nothing but 0 comma 1. So which is going to be 1 plus 0.2 into f of x comma y is our minus 2x y square, nothing but our x is 0, y is 1. So which is minus 2 into 0 into 1 square, nothing but the overall value is 0. So our y1 is 1 plus 0.2 into 0, which is 1, which is to be taken as initial approximation to y1. This can also be denoted by y1 0. Now this value is to be improved by modified Euler method, for which let us take iteration formula for y1. That is y1 k plus 1 equal to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 k, where k takes values from 0, 1 to 3 and so on. Let us give k equal to 0 in this to get first iteration and k equal to 1 to get second iteration and so on. Before that, in each iteration f of x0 y0 is the same. Let us find it separately. F of x0 y0 is nothing but f of 0 comma 1, which is going to be 0 by using our f of x comma y equal to minus 2x y square. So let us start finding iterations. First iteration of y1 is obtained by giving k equal to 0 in the iteration formula 1. For k0 we get that y1 1 equals to y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 0. y1 0 is nothing but our Euler value y1, that is 1. So if we use all the known data in this first iteration formula, we get that y11 equals to 1 plus h is 0.2 by 2, f of x0 y0 is 0 plus f of x1 is 0.2, y1 0, which is Euler value 1. So this is going to be 1 plus 0.1 into, let us use f of x comma y function, that is minus 2x y square. So by using calculator we can get this value as 0.96. We got the first iteration. So using this first iteration, let us get second iteration, for which we will put k equal to 1 in the iteration formula 1, so that y12 equals to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y11. Let us use all the data here. y0 is 1, h is 0.2, f of x0 y0 is 0, x1 is 0.2, y11 is 0.96. Now here it is f of x comma y form, which is equals to minus 2x y square. So using calculator we are getting this value as 0.9631. You can compare this value with previous iteration. We can say that there is 2 decimal place accuracy, but in the problem we are asked to get 4 decimal place accuracy. So we need to get next iterations. Let us find third iteration of y1, for which we will put k equal to 2 in iteration formula. Then we get y13 equal to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y12. So let us use y12 is 0.9631, and by using f of x comma y here, y13 is going to be 1 plus 0.1 into minus 2x y square. By using calculator we get this value as 0.9628. Again we will compare this with previous iteration. We are getting the accuracy is up to 2 decimal places. Still we have to improve the accuracy, so let us go to fourth iteration for y1, for which we will put k equal to 3 in our general formula. Then we get y14 equals to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y13. So which is 1 plus 0.2 by 2 into 0 plus f of 0.2 comma 0.9628. By using f of x comma y equal to minus 2x y square, we simplify this value as 0.9629. Compare this with previous iteration. There is 3 decimal place accuracy. 0.962 is same, but still we need to improve the iteration. So let us go to fifth iteration of y1, for which we will put k equal to 4 in 1. Then y15 equals to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y14. y14 is obtained as 0.9629. Let us use that value here. So by simplifying this, we are going to get 0.9629. Let us compare this with previous iteration. We can see there is a 4 decimal place accuracy in the value. Since iterations, fourth, fifth iterations are same up to 4 decimal places, then stop iteration process. Hence y1 is to be taken as the last iteration of y1, that is 0.9629. Now using x1, y1, we need to find y2 at x2. Let us find y2 at the point x2, that is nothing but we are finding y of 0.4, for which we use preceding point x1, y1. x1 equal to 0.2, y1 is 0.9629, h equal to 0.2. Now in the first step we need to find Euler value of y2. y2 is given by y1 plus h f of x1, y1. Let us use the known data x1, y1 and h here, so that we are going to get y2 as 0.887. Now this value is to be improved by modified Euler method, for which we can take iteration formula y2 k plus 1 equal to y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1, y1 plus f of x2, y2 k. K takes values 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. For k equal to 0 we get first iteration, for k equal to 1 we get second iteration and so on. So before going to find the iterations, let us first find f of x1, y1, because this is fixed in each and every iteration. F of x1, y1 is nothing but f of 0.2, 0.9629. Using f of x comma y equal to minus 2x y square, we get f of x1, y1 as minus 0.3708. Now as we did above, we can put k equal to 0 in this. So y1 is known value, h is known value, f of x1, y1 is obtained here, and f of x2 is nothing but 0.4, and y2 0 is nothing but our Euler value. By using all this known data, we get first iteration to y2, which is 0.8626. Now this value can be placed here for k equal to 1, so that the second iteration is obtained as 0.8676. Use this value here to get third iteration, that is 0.8656. Again we put this third iteration here to get fourth iteration, that is 0.8658. We can compare this with previous iteration. There is a 3 decimal place accuracy only. So we want to improve this value, for which we want to get fifth iteration. For this we use this fourth iteration on the right hand side of the iteration formula of y2. Then we are getting the value 0.8658. Now we can see that fourth and fifth iterations of y2 are same up to 4 decimal places. So we stop iteration process and we take a y2 as the fifth iteration to y2, which is 0.8658. So we got finally y2 is nothing but y of 0.4, which is 0.8658. This is our modified Euler method. I hope you understand this. Thank you.